then? We've heard four different views, in a sense, of those who are opponents of what the government has done. Sudhanshu Mittal, let's turn to you. Let's turn to you and ask whether the government, in a sense, could have done this with better procedures, taken a broader consensus. And the fact is that there are elements now within the Sangh Parivar, your own farmer unions, who are protesting. There is a genuine concern that the farmer is losing out here. And we are, at the end of the day, whether you like it or not, a nation of Kisans.
Rajdeep, let us discuss the merit of the proposition first, and then we'll discuss the politics of the proposition. Because these two things are not in consonance with each other right now. I will refer to the first story which you showed. You took us to Marathwada, you took us to Singur, and you took us to Bhatta Parsol. In all the three,
yes.
In all the three cases, what was the underlying grievance? The underlying grievance was मुआवजा. कि साहब मुआवजा नहीं मिलता, मुआवजा ये है, मुआवजा वो है. You know, we have to get out of the mindset of the old act where there was a cheating of the farmer when say a land worth say a lakh rupees was then taken over by the government at say 20,000 rupees. The real value was only 20% of the value of the land, which was given as compensation. So naturally, if such an unfair proposition is raw deal is given to the farmers, there was a protest. And that is the entire mindset with which we are viewing this. You know, today getting a compensation 4 times the market price when it is a rural land, or 2 times the market price when it is an urban land, and not only is there a job guaranteed with this, 20% of the developed land can be taken back by the farmer on a certain principle of payment. Now this is the underlying spirit of this act, which must be studied in terms of what the farmers are now today saying.
Okay, you make
the
a
farmers are happy.
Yeah, can I just hold you for a moment? Can I just hold you?
See, what are we discussing? I'm amazed. You know, every time a discussion takes place, things which are foreign to the core issue are always introduced to mislead people.
No, how is it
we
foreign?
We are discussing about a central...
How is it foreign?
Allow me, Nara.
How is compensation foreign to
allow
this
me
issue?
to make the statement. Rajdeep, I have not said that. You have not had the patience to hear me. See, it's an unfair panel because you have 2 AAP candidates who fought the Lok Sabha. I'm the only poor guy who was to defend, and you don't want to give me time. Now give me time so that a lot of misnomers which are being spread by all these people need to get clarified.
Yes.
First thing, we are discussing a central legislation. The central legislation is very, very clear on the compensation which has to be given, which is 4 times. I have travelled across the country, also talked to the farmers. I said, tell me, तुम्हारी लैंड 1 लाख रुपए की है, तुम्हें अगर इसकी जगह 4 लाख, बोले हुजूर भाई बाप इसको करवा दो, हमारी लैंड ले लो, दिलवा दो. You know, your assumption is the farmer is resistant to it. My feel in the ground is the farmer will he'll be most happy trading off his land for 4 times the price, because after getting 4 times the price, what he'll do is buy thrice the land he had, and 1 portion, which is the value of the land he had, he will spend it on his livelihood and be happy thereafter. Okay. This is the mindset. So, you know, secondly, what the state governments do, if it is ultra vires the constitution, it cannot be held valid. It will not be held valid. A central legislation is superior to a state legislation when it is a concurrent list. So let's not debate what Haryana is doing. We are debating what central government is doing. More importantly, Rajdeep, here the issue is what? The issue is, it is only specified to 5 exceptions. Only 5 exceptions. Now, Mr. Yogendra,
the majority of infrastructure projects will be covered by those. Majority of projects will be covered by those exceptions. I can tell you, even your ally Shiv Sena is now objecting to it. Even your ally Shiv Sena. So it's not just Aam Aadmi Party. It's not just Anna Hazare.
Rajdeep, we are not discussing the politics of it. We are discussing the merit of it.
Yes.
Allow me to give one more merit about it.
Yes.
One more merit.
Yes.
Take private housing. Today, a lot of land has been acquired in Gurgaon and all the other places for private housing. Is it covered under this? No, it is not covered. A lot of land has been taken for individual industries, big industries. Is this covered under this? No, it is not covered under this. All things which relate to the so-called crony capitalism, are they covered under these exceptions? No. What is covered? National security, defense, rural electrification. You're not, what is happening is the Real Act and the purpose of the Real Act is deliberately being subsided by an impression that it is all pervasive. No, it is not all pervasive.
Can I?
And lastly, as I said,
Can I hold
get
you?
out of the
Can I
mindset
hold
that
you?
the farmer is resistant.
Can I hold
He's
you?
not. A farmer is happy with this.
Okay, farmer is happy. Can I get a political statement now? We just want 30 seconds each. Sudhanshu Mittal, your government had supported this very act. Your party had supported it when you were in the opposition. Now you're in government. You seem to have done a U-turn. Are you ready to reach out, as Arun Jaitley suggested today in Parliament, more than halfway to resolve this issue? Because industry needs land and the farmers need compensation and the farmers need their rights protected.
Rajdeep, where is the question of a U-turn? We have supported the act. We have just amended a few provisions for the exceptions which have to be incorporated. That's about it. See, the only difference is we never played politics on issues of development. You have a solution if people stop playing politics on this. Because what was earlier a part of their philosophy has suddenly turned anti-farmer. So be it. I mean,
it is precisely these amendments. Hold on.
Rajdeep.
It is precisely, you've had your, I'm giving everyone 30 seconds.
I've not had even 10 seconds. I've not even had 10 seconds.
Yes.
Let's be fair, Rajdeep.
Yes.
I mean, you're not being fair. Let's be fair. Look, the Act says 4 times the compensation. It does not outline how the compensation of the market value has to be calculated. If there are problems in calculating the market value, let's suggest a transparent way. Where is the problem?
Okay.
You see, the Act has the provisions.
You made your point, sir.
Sir,
I have to stop you because I am running out of time. Made a point.